Hello, lovely souls, and welcome back to Kira Style Garden. Have you ever listened to the hidden music of your backyard? Today we are capturing the wind. I'm going to show you how to turn simple, salvaged finds and natural treasures into enchanting magical wind chimes that will transform your garden into a serene, musical sanctuary. Let's start creating. Look at these treasures. Washed up by the tide and transformed into something truly magical. The weathered driftwood holds the weight of the ocean, while these delicate shards of sea glass catch the sunlight like fallen stars. When the breeze moves through them, it's not just a sound. It's a soft, crystalline melody that brings the calming spirit of the coast right into your quiet garden sanctuary. Just listen to the ocean's gentle whisper. There is a deep, grounded soul in the hollow ring of bamboo. By pairing these amber-stained stalks with tiny hand-painted acorn caps, we're celebrating the forest's humble beauty. It's a rhythmic, earthy song that feels steady and timeless. Can you hear it? It's the sound of the woods breathing. This chime doesn't just decorate your space. It connects your garden back to the very roots of the ancient, wild earth. Who knew that simple industrial scraps could sing with such clarity? These polished copper pipes, salvaged and reborn, find their perfect partners in smooth river stones. There's a beautiful tension here, the cold, bright ring of metal meeting the silent, heavy patience of the rock. It's modern, it's sleek, and yet it feels so incredibly peaceful. A shimmering metallic pulse that dances through the golden hour, bringing a touch of refined luxury. Every broken plate has a story, and today we're giving those stories a beautiful new beginning. By embedding real garden blooms into clear resin and mixing them with vintage porcelain, we've captured a moment of springtime that lasts forever. These charms are like little windows into a secret garden. They flutter and clink with a light porcelain dance, reminding us that even in broken things, there is a stunning, fragile grace waiting to be found. Imagine the doors these keys once opened, the secrets they held. Now, hanging from a mossy oak branch, they unlock a different kind of magic. This chime has a heavy, nostalgic ring, a soulful clank of brass and iron that feels like a step back in time. It's rustic, it's honest, and it carries a wonderful sense of history. Let the wind play with these old relics and turn your garden into a place of stories. Can you feel the summer sun? This shimmering cascade of seashells and iridescent beads is a celebration of light and color. Every pearlized surface reflects the sky, creating a dancing mosaic that moves with every tiny breath of air. It's a bright, cheerful tinkling sound that feels like a celebration. It's as if the sea itself decided to come and stay in your backyard, bringing a splash of vibrant coastal joy to your flowers. There's something so charming about the domestic becoming artistic. These flattened silver spoons, etched with tiny bees and leaves, twirl beneath a hand-woven grapevine wreath. It's a whimsical vintage song, a light metallic chime that feels like an afternoon tea party in the breeze. Upcycling these heirlooms gives your garden a personality that is both elegant and playful. It's proof that the most beautiful things are often hiding right in our kitchen drawers. Listen to the soft, muffled thud of the forest floor. This chime, crafted from layered fir bark and painted pine cones, offers a gentle, percussive music that is uniquely soothing. It's not loud or sharp. It's a warm, textured rustle that blends perfectly with the swaying trees. Feels organic, intentional, and deeply comforting. It's a reminder to slow down, to breathe, and to appreciate the intricate, rugged textures that nature provides so generously. Beauty can be found in strength. By reclaiming heavy iron horseshoes and industrial bolts, we've created a chime with a bold, resonant voice. It's a powerful, low-toned song that commands attention while staying rooted in the garden's greenery. The splash of vibrant red and teal paint adds a modern, artistic edge to the raw metal. It's industrial, it's sturdy, and it sings with a confident, rhythmic soul that truly stands the test of time. Don't throw away those broken planters. Those terracotta shards carry the warmth of the sun and the dust of the earth. When sanded smooth and paired with handmade clay beads, they create a soft, clacking sound that is incredibly earthy and rhythmic. It's a Mediterranean dream captured in a chime. The vibrant mosaic patterns tell a story of creativity and rebirth, turning garden accidents into a stunning centerpiece of sun-drenched, handcrafted art. When the sun hits these glass marbles, the garden literally glows. These hardwood slats, mahogany, oak, walnut, are simple and strong, but the inlaid marbles turn them into jewels hanging in the air. As the wood sways, the light passes through the glass, casting tiny, colorful shadows across the grass. It's a sophisticated, quiet music. A gentle wooden knock that feels expensive and rare. It's the perfect final touch for a garden that values true craftsmanship. From weathered driftwood to vintage silver, we've proven today that magic is truly all around us if we know where to look. These 11 chimes bring a unique voice and soul to any garden space. I hope these ideas inspire you to step outside and start crafting. If you enjoyed this journey, please hit that like button, subscribe to Kira Style Garden, and comment below telling me which chime was your favorite.